In this video, we'll show you how to do the half treble. We're using Serdar Stories and you'll use the yarn and hook in your pattern. So let's start crocheting. I'm starting with the yarn on my hook, and the half treble is a stitch in between the double crochet and the treble stitch, making a slightly shorter stitch than the treble and denser in weight. So we're going to start off by wrapping around our hook, just like the treble, working into the stitch, wrapping our yarn over the hook and pulling through the front. So we've got our 3 loops on our hook, but now we're going to yarn over our hook, twist our hook down so we can pull through, and we're going to pull through all 3 loops in one motion, creating our half treble. So I'm going to go through that again. So we wrap around, yarn over our hook, into the stitch, yarn over, grab our yarn from the back, pull through to the front, so we have our 3 loops. We're going to yarn over, and then we're going to pull through all 3 of those loops in one motion. So we'll go through that one more time. Yarn over, into the stitch, grab the yarn from the back, pull through to the front, so you've got 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, and then pull all through 3 in one motion. And that's the half treble. Practice until you're confident and then head to serdar.com for more stitches, beginner kits, patterns and yarn.